Wow, I don't know what happened to the last bit. But anyway, here's part two. I'm opening up the other machine. Opening up the other machine. Oh, forget it. My key gets stuck sometimes. So, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Let's get this machine open. Lefty loosey. Check messages. It wants me to check messages. What's going on? Check messages. We'll do that. But let's put the coin mech back in, right? This one has a coin mech. It says check vendor disabled by machine. I don't know. It says that because I have it open. But we're going to check codes. We was going to do something else, but we checking code. Home errors. Home error. What's the error? Sub level.